Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the verification problem on the Google My Business account. So the first thing you want to do is just Google My Business, okay, and your listing will show up. Now it does say at the bottom over here that only managers of this page can see this. All right, so this is not visible to everyone else. You'll only see your own information. Now what you want to do is from here, it says Google is processing your verification. It normally takes a few minutes. Now this has been going on for quite some time, and I'd like to find out what's going on, and I'd like to verify my business. So what you're going to do is look for help and support. Now once you tap on that help and support using this drop down menu here, you will get onto this page. Now what you want to do is just scroll down here and you will find the fix verification issues. You want to tap on that. Now from here it says how to find your business on Google, request ownership of a business, and understanding recommendations for potential business owners. Now that's nothing related to what we want. Here at the bottom under need more help, we want to tap on contact us, and here we want to start filling in the details. So it says which business do you need help with. You've got to select your business that you need assistance with if you are managing multiple businesses, and here we want to enter in what we need help with. So we can say unable to verify business, okay, and we want to tap on next. Now from here you can choose what best describes your issue. Can't verify by email or phone, no way to verify is offered, can't make or upload verification video, fix verification under review. So this is currently my issue, but if you have a verification error message, you can tap on that, and if your problem is not described here, you can just tap on other. Now what you want to do is tap on the next step button, and here it says common issues that delay bulk verification. So you can read through that. There's also a read more tab. It'll open up a new tab. You can check out what that has in store, and then you can go ahead and you can tap on next step, and here we have some contact options. So we can update business name and other info on Google to verify the business, and from here we are going to go ahead and tap on get help with verification. So it will now open up a new window, and here we want to just confirm our email address. It says check your verification status. We're going to tap on confirm and select our business, and then tap on continue. Now from here it says please wait for your profile to be published. Edits to your profile may be reviewed for quality and can take a few minutes to publish. Now here we want to say, do we still need support? We're going to say no, or we're going to say yes, depending on your level of happiness here, and we're going to tap on continue. Now here we are going to see it says contact the support team. So to get more help, get in touch with our support team, and you are going to tap on that, and here what is your issue, and we are going to select the issue here. My business profile is not verified. Have you uploaded a video? Yes, if you have. And is your business profile located in the European Economic Area? If it is, say yes. If no, say no. And then which of the following best describes your business? If you have a physical location, if your business travels to meet customers, or if your business is under an unstaffed facility where a transaction can take place. Or you can just say my business is only online. So I've got a physical business here, and then it wants to know your relationship to the business, and then it also wants to know your name. Okay, so we're going to enter our name in there, and here we would like to enter a phone number. Then we are going to enter our email address. Again, the business profile's email address that is associated, and then your business profile ID. Okay, and then there are some further details that you want to enter about your issue. What is your issue? And then if you have a related case ID, you can enter it in there. And if you need to have any documents uploaded, such as a picture of the outside of your business, a picture of the outside of your business which shows the address markers, a utility bill, dated 3 months past. Any other relevant proof that the business exists. This is an optional. And then the website, the country that your business is located in, and then the link to your company information on an official government register in the country which the business profile is actually located, right? So you need to have an actual registered business with those details on there. And then we can go ahead still furthermore, choose the issue that we have at hand, so which best describes your problem. And I'm going to say technical issue here. And then we want to either upload if there is an error message, and we are then going to say yes or no that we filled out this form accurately, and then we are going to give consent to have our information shared, and we're going to tap on submit. Now, this is a long process, but if you're wanting to fix this issue, this is the only way to do it. This is the last resort to actually get into contact with the support team and actually speak to a person instead of just reading help articles. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.